Greetings to all of you who have contributed to an anthology. Writing your story and contributing to an anthology is a wonderful thing. It's a wonderful opportunity to get your story out, and you're only responsible for one chapter. But many of you have poured your hearts out into those stories and wished you could have expanded it into a full book. Or many of you have contributed to multiple anthologies, and you're a two, three, four, five, seven, 10 times best-selling author, but haven't written your own book yet. But you've been thinking about it. I am Dr. Telishia Berry, publisher of Courageous Woman magazine and CEO of Strive Publishing. I've helped over 300 authors become best-selling authors in anthologies, as well as solo books. I know many of you would love to write your own book based on the stories you've contributed to anthologies, but weren't sure how. Well, I would like to help you accomplish that. In my upcoming webinar, How to Turn Your Anthology Chapter into a Full Book, I'm going to show you how to get started converting that amazing story you wrote for an anthology into your solo book. I'm going to show you how to enhance your story from the concept to the characters. I want to give you the tips on what really inspires your readers. I'm going to show you how to outline your book so that you can finish fast and finish strong. I'm going to give you tips on how to make your story more intriguing. I'm even going to share the elements of writing a best-selling, most read book. You'll learn all of this in my live webinar, How to Turn Your Anthology Chapter into a Full Book. I want to see you go from co-author to best-selling author. So don't wait and definitely don't hesitate. Grab your early bird seat now, and I'll see you in the webinar.